Ever snapped a wooden garden stake just when you need it? Don't bin it. Let's repair it quickly and get it back in the garden. Stakes break at the ground line or from rough weather, but most of the wood is still fine. Here's why it matters. Keeping stakes going saves money, reduces waste, and keeps your plants supported without another trip to Bunnings. First, collect your broken stake pieces and check that both ends are dry and free from rot. If there's mold or rot, cut those bits off with a handsaw. Next, line up the two good ends. Drill a 5mm pilot hole straight through the center of both ends. Grab a 70mm galvanized screw, these won't rust, and drive it through to join the pieces. For extra strength, wrap the join with weatherproof tape or tie it with sturdy garden twine. One mistake is using glue alone. It won't last outdoors. Now, push the repaired stake back into the soil. If it's a bit short, use it for smaller plants or as a cross brace. The key takeaway: most broken stakes can be repaired and reused with a drill, screw, and a bit of tape. That's one less thing to buy and less waste in your garden.